Hello, and welcome to Quick Clicks. My name is Ellie. This is episode 17, Emojis. Let's open up Word. And we can write our usual document, anything that we want. And we can even add emojis now. So the quick click for that is start semicolon. That's typically the button right next to L. So start semicolon. And you'll see you got all sorts of emojis to choose from. So birthday cake, or we can go to some faces on the pizza icon for some food. And we want lots of these, whatever those are. So that's how you put those into Office documents. When doing subject lines in an email or a notepad, you'll notice that they're more monochrome. So that's what they look like in Notepad, and if you were to put those on a subject line of an email. Again, the quick click is start semicolon. I hope you enjoyed today's quick click. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.